So today I'll be showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And the first thing you want to do is just to get a white side. So find this Rubik's Cube thing or whatever you have. Make that your top, and then see, it's on the bottom for me, but it could be like up here for you. So when it's on the bottom, you just get it up. So then when it's like up here, kind of, you gotta just go like that. So it's like this. So you either have it on this side, and you'll just do the opposite. So you just go like that. Okay, kind of need to go fast here for some reason. So if you have like two of these, so like say this green was matched up with this green, then you would have to only do this once. But if you do have two of these together, then just make it facing away from you. But if you don't have any, then just do whatever you want. So it's just like kind of down that way, up, boo, doop, bop. And then you'll probably have one over here, hopefully, and then boop, beep, bop. So now you have one of these, but you'll probably, if you had one of these, you'll have all these. So just make that matching sign face away from you, and then do that same thing, and then you'll have all these. Okay, so next thing, the yellow side. So if you have two, then put it on the right side. If you just have one yellow, put it in the bottom left corner. If you have two like this, then put one in the bottom left corner. So it's up, no, kind of right, up, then needs to go down, up twice, and just go down. So then, yeah, when you have this, you just want to do that, you just want to keep doing that. You won't have this exactly, but just put them in the bottom left corner if you have that, and then you'll probably just keep doing it. Well, I can just turn it for some reason and it'll be solved, but we're not doing that today. So if you have a matching side, then make it facing away from you. If you don't have a matching side, that's okay. So it's like right, so it's just like this, the face turning that way, that way, twice, and then that way, the back twice, right twice, and then right twice, and then you have a matching side. which I might not explain that clearly, but just do that again. Dang. It'll be solved. And yeah, I'll do a slower version. Like I'll slow it down. So